Well, at least we got everything in. Should I move the net in? Should I move the net in? The net for the pool.
What net?
This net.
Oh, yeah. Bring it up here.
Holy cow. Forgot how heavy this thing is. Where? Ugh.
Bring it under over there in the corner.
The corner doesn't explain anything. Do you want to bring that in?
No, I'm just gonna put it over here. Come follow me with that and be careful. On my knee. Oh. You have to put it in the corner here, Junie. By that umbrella.
Oh, this umbrella, got it. Sirens are going off.
Yeah, because they're warning people. Text it. Well, not
Ah!
text that.
Luna!
Do you think we should move it?
Should move what?
Let's move this.
This?
They say it's gonna be really bad.